Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Black Devil #1. A Black Devil, like any good martini, is stirred not shaken. Sorry, James Bond. So we're going to stir this Black Devil. So we're going to start with our rum. 2 ounces of white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Then, half an ounce of your dry vermouth. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Add your ice. And give it a stir. Then we're going to strain it into our cocktail glass. Now the garnish. The traditional garnish for this drink is olives, either 1 or 3, never 2 for some reason. I don't know why. However, my friend Noam, when he made his, did a twist of orange, which I think is excellent. However, because I'm making the traditional version, I'm going to use 3 olives. And that's it, the Black Devil. Drink with good spirits.